How to add playing a game on Discord mobile. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Login Helps, and on today's video we will learn how we can add playing a game on Discord mobile. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Discord application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're here, tap on the profile icon or the icon that says you at the bottom right corner. Here, tap on the settings icon from the top right and then tap on content and social. Here, scroll down a bit and then go to server settings. Under that, tap on server defaults and then choose your server. Once you're here, there you have an activity status that says share your activity status in the server. Make sure the toggle is turned on. Once you have done that, now get back to your profile. And here, if you're not able to see the game that you're playing under your profile, now you can add manually or you can manually set a custom status to show other what game you're playing. So for that, tap on add status next to your profile. So here in this field that says what you're up to, you have to enter the game that you are playing, for example, playing Minecraft. Optionally, you can choose an emoji to accompany your status by tapping the emoji icon. After that, you have to set the duration for the status to clear after a certain period if desired. If not, then you can go to don't clear. Once you are done with that, tap on Save button at the top right to apply your custom status. Here, this method allows your friends and server members to see the game that you're currently playing even though it's manually set. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.